Have you ever dreamt of venturing beyond the Eiffel Tower, of uncovering the secrets that lie nestled in the heart of the French countryside? France, a land of diverse landscapes and rich history, holds a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Join us as we journey through picturesque villages, each with its own unique charm and allure. From the tranquil waters of Annecy to the medieval architecture of Eguisheim, we'll unveil the hidden wonders that make France a traveler's paradise. Prepare to be captivated by breathtaking scenery, enchanting stories, and the undeniable magic of these hidden gems. Your French adventure far from the beaten path begins now. Our first destination takes us to the heart of the French Alps, where the charming town of Annecy awaits. Nestled beside a shimmering lake, Annecy is a vision of tranquility and natural splendor. Crystal-clear canals weave through the heart of the town, their gentle flow reflecting the colorful facades of the buildings that line their banks. Quaint bridges arch gracefully over the water, inviting leisurely strolls and moments of quiet contemplation. And as if painted onto the horizon, the majestic Alps rise in the distance, their snow-capped peaks a constant reminder of the awe-inspiring beauty that surrounds this enchanting town. Our journey continues north to the Alsace region, where the storybook town of Colmar captivates the senses with its colorful half-timbered houses and flower-laden window boxes. Step back in time as you wander through the cobblestone streets, each turn revealing a picture-perfect scene. The canals of Colmar, affectionately known as Little Venice, add to the town's undeniable charm. Take a boat trip along the water, glide beneath ancient bridges, and allow yourself to be transported to a bygone era. Colmar is a feast for the eyes, a charming blend of French and German influences that will leave a lasting impression. Perched high on a cliff face, overlooking a dramatic gorge, the village of Rocamadour appears to defy gravity. This breathtaking sight, a testament to human ingenuity and faith, has drawn pilgrims and travelers for centuries. Ascend the steep path either on foot or by the inclined lift and feel the weight of history envelop you. Explore the ancient chapels, each with its own tale to tell, and marvel at the intricate carvings that adorn their walls. And as you stand at the edge of the precipice, gazing out over the vast expanse below, you'll understand why Rocamadour is considered one of France's most sacred and awe-inspiring destinations. Imagine a village designed as a perfect circle, its streets spiraling outwards from a central square. This is Eguisheim, a medieval masterpiece nestled among the vineyards of Alsace. Walk the circular path, lined with brightly painted houses, their timber frames intricately detailed. Fountains gurgle in hidden courtyards, and the scent of freshly baked bread wafts from traditional bakeries. Eguisheim is a place where time seems to stand still, where the pace of life is slow and deliberate, and where the beauty of the surroundings is best savored with a glass of local wine in hand. Our final destination takes us to the heart of Provence, where the hilltop village of Gordes stands as a testament to time and resilience. Constructed entirely of local stone, its buildings blend seamlessly into the surrounding landscape. As you approach Gordes from afar, it appears as a mirage, a cluster of ancient dwellings clinging to the edge of a plateau. Explore the narrow, winding streets, discover hidden passageways, and soak in the panoramic views of the Luberon Valley. Gordes is a place of breathtaking beauty, a place to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with the simple pleasures of existence. From the tranquil waters of Annecy to the sun-drenched hills of Provence, we've journeyed through some of France's most captivating hidden gems. Each destination has offered a glimpse into the heart and soul of this diverse and enchanting country. But this is just the beginning of your own French adventure. There are countless other hidden treasures waiting to be unearthed, each with its own unique story to tell. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of discovery, and create your own unforgettable memories in the heart of France. Click on the link in the video description and you will find many essential travel products that will help you organize a happy trip for you and your family.